Theraball is a ball that can be used as a chair. And these are really awesome because they engage the small muscles in our core to help us keep our balance and improve also postural control. So we're sitting on the ball and we're kind of can be a little bit wiggly and use our core muscles to help us engage in sitting up actively, as well as get a little movement in, even if it's very subtle. So Allie's got some really awesome examples.
Yeah. And when I've recommended a therapy ball to families, in the past, I've brought the ball into the home first just to try it out. Families always 100% buy it. You can get these really cheap at like Walmart or Five Below or places like that for like $5, and they last. They're really good. And they come in different sizes too for different, whatever height your kiddo is. That's great. But I also have a peanut-shaped ball that is also a big hit with kiddos. Now this one I got, I think, off of Amazon, and there are different sizes as well. But so sometimes I'll have kiddos that maybe if the ball is too much movement for them, or they can sit on this one, or then they can straddle it one leg on each side, right, like a horse. But then, it's also been a really good tool too. My kids love it and families love it. So yeah, both are really great.
The peanut ball is really great for some smaller kids too, that, it's a little bit smaller and lower to the ground. They can straddle it and kind of feel a little bit more secure sometimes that way, I found.